everybody. All right, AMC, man, YOLO, AMC, baby. No, not really. Well, kind of, right? I mean, I'm in AMC. I bought AMC. I'm serious. That's actually not a clickbait at all. I did buy 6 shares. It's not a lot, I know, but I actually do. I will actually buy another. I have one right now. I have one order out right now, and the main reason why we're going to be talking about this a lot, I'm sure today. But the main reason why I'm actually buying AMC right now is because this looks like this is an amazing setup. And I've actually been waiting for this setup for a long time for AMC. I've been waiting for this setup that we have right now for AMC for literally weeks. And I'm sure you realize it. I'm sure you know what it is already. It's pretty obvious, okay? It's the same trade idea that I do, like literally every single time I do a trade live. This is the one. This is it, because it's so easy. And I'm not saying, oh, trading is so easy, I make so much money. No. Okay? No. It's not easy, but this is like the easiest trade that you can do. And this is how I've got the accuracy of like 5 out of 6. Not 5. I think it's like 5 out of 7 trades that we've done live that have all been like very good. Like they've been like 10%, 20%, like a couple in like less than a week. And I don't do that to brag. I just am saying that this setup for AMC is good. Okay, it's very good. And the reason why it's good is because you've had a crazy run up and you haven't retraced yet to that 21 SMA. Typically, not always, right? Not always, but typically, let me show you an example. Okay, 4 hourly. All right, the 21 SMA, that's your buy signal, right? After you, okay, right here, perfect example right here. Okay, it's a little bit hard to see. Let me yeah, all right, I'll maximize it for you real quick. Okay, once you retrace on that level after you go for a huge run up, you get a bounce, right? Literally, now this one was a little bit of a flash crash, but here's another example right here. Both times you come down to it, boom, it's a bounce. Okay, and you're about to get that with the daily. So also, as if that wasn't enough, the short interest data is not. The short interest data, I would honestly, it could be better for AMC. It's not bad, but it's definitely good. And you have a bull pennant here, and you're about to hit it, right? This is why I have an order for 10 shares of 54. Now, this could easily go horribly wrong, but I like the setup, okay? I like the setup for AMC right now. I've been waiting for this. For anyone that's wondering, like, Brandon, what the hell? Is this a spontaneous movement? No, I've literally been waiting for this exact trade literally for weeks, okay? When we started going up a ton, I have been saying... I mean, I'm sure some of you probably remember when I made the AMC videos, I said I will be looking to freaking do this once it comes down. And I wanted it, I thought it was going to come down here. I thought it was going all the way down to 30 maybe. It didn't. But finally, the day has come where the AMC trade is maybe the opportunity maybe here. Okay, please make your own decisions. Please do not match me. Please don't match me. Just make your own investing decisions, okay? All right, so BNGO on the day, right? All right, BNGO. We're going to talk about AMC a ton of times, I'm sure, today, because hopefully we get the AMC people to join here and see what's going on here, because for some reason, none of the AMC guys actually talk about the other indicators. Anyways, at least that I've seen. But for BNGO, all right, 757 right now, you did just get the bullish flip, actually, and there is no news, actually, for BNGO, really, at least that I've seen. There might be a new job. Let me see. Okay, here we go. We do. Okay, just when I thought we didn't have any news, I just checked this morning, and it just... Okay, 11 hours ago, Global Channel Manager. What is this? This sounds interesting. Okay, no, not really. Interviewing, selecting, and training employees. This is a new job listing of Bionanos right here. This definitely isn't as exciting as the next generation sequencing requirement or responsibility, right? That was awesome, right? Nothing like that. But for anyone just getting in right now, yeah, the short interest data for Bionano, the last that we saw, I'm going to check the short share availability and the borrow fee right now, but the last that we saw, and this one was a while, this was all the way, this is 1 hour after the market opened, that's when Bad Form updated this here, but you're looking at increase of 2.5% on the day, 19% of the free float currently sold short, not yet covered, right? So this is as simple as it gets. 33% cost borrow average, they're still shorting it. Call me a mad. Look at this shit. I think this is a glitch. Cost to borrow at max 259%. I don't know. I don't really believe these numbers, but if you compare that to the short borrow fee rate on Fintel, the annualized short borrow fee rate, you're looking at 17%. And this is why, and this actually is true with AMC as well. And I actually have the AMC stats pulled up here as well that I do want to talk about later. I can just do a freaking video. We should probably just do a video on AMC later. Maybe we'll get some views, right? Probably not. But yeah, anyways, it's my point here is that it's more favorable to the bulls as far as time goes, right? Let's say you go sideways for a month. that's better for the bulls because they're not incurring these freaking borrow fee rates, man. They're not incurring the crazy amount of risk that it takes to hold against the apes. I mean, I'm not okay. The ape stuff. The only reason why I'm not doing like a lot of money, a lot of shares on AMC, and it's only like 20, is because I don't have it in my DNA to buy a lot of shares after you've gone up from like what 15 cents, not 15 cents, $2. I don't have it in my DNA. That's why I'm doing such a small. What is it, like $200? $400. So yeah, I mean, that's why. That's why I don't have it in my DNA to do that many. But this is a trade that I've been watching for a while. I like the setup. You're in a bull pennant. It's consolidation. The shorts, it's still a fairly high short interest rate. It's about the same as Bionano, maybe a little smaller now. And these guys are screwed. Okay, here's the thing. These guys, I mean, well, they're not necessarily screwed, but I think they are. I think they probably the hedges on the AMC and Bionano, even a lot of these stuff. I think it's just a matter of time for these guys to cover. I mean, it's just what it is. That's just what we're dealing with. So I don't know. That's what I'm thinking. But make your own decisions. Make your own decisions, boys. Talking about BNGO more. This is not an AMC stream, although I'm not against it becoming an AMC stream if it's going to be views, but I'm sure we won't have any views. Where do you suggest to go in on AMC? So basically, when we get some more viewers in here, I'll tell you what, if we do, probably not. If we do, I'll talk about why I actually bought AMC, but I already did that. So we'll do that in a little bit. But yeah, the borrow fee rate for Bionano is 17%. The Twitter, we had, they did do another tweet. But before we go to the new tweet, I actually want to go over the thread right here, okay? Now, this is the new FSHD thing, right? So basically, there's nothing really big here. Okay, again, it's nothing new, but it's just good that there's more conclusions that it's basically 100% concordance, meaning the SAPHYR can do everything that other stuff can, right? So 100% precision, sensitivity, all this stuff, okay? Validation of a new assay, which is basically, it's a little bit complicated, but to my rudimentary understanding, it's just like it's a scientific method of analyzing stuff and doing things, okay? Somebody can give a better definition in the chat probably. But they developed that using Bionano's OGM, and it was a resounding success, right? So you love it. It's implemented now at a freaking hospital. It's good news. Is it enough to move the stop price? Of course not. Even if this was freaking nanonozzle evidence, hell, the stop price might not even go. I mean, imagine this. Imagine we get a tweet that's just like, they use the nanopores and the nanochannels and the new sequencing device to detect stuff that sequencers missed. Imagine if they said something like that in here. I mean, that would, obviously, that should send us up 20%. Okay, that means it's commercially released, or they're using it at least, and that it's working. But imagine the price just not reacting. That's honestly, I wouldn't be surprised, because the price doesn't react to anything. That's the joke. If you're not getting it, it's a bad joke. But it's true. The price action does not give a shit about what's going on. Simple as it gets, man. Let's compare the volume today. All right, so the volume today for Bionano, you're looking at 10 million. Literally, you're worse than Nano Dimension. By the way, the freaking Nano Dimension subreddit. Oh gosh, the subreddits are so bad nowadays. Why? I don't know why, but the subreddit quality all across the board is just way worse this week. I don't know what's going on, but dude, so many people were Nano Dimension. They were just bandwagoning in after you're going up. I hate to see people so bullish after it's gone up and only buying because it's up. And the reverse is true for Bionano, because it's been Nano Dimension of late, like the last 2 weeks. Nano Dimension's been doing way better than BNGO. So everybody loves Nano Dimension and hates BNGO. Now it's like, yeah, that's just how it is. And I tweeted earlier, I said, what did I say? I said, the average investor on a green day loves Bionano, and then the average investor on a red day hates Bionano. And it's just the difference between a great investor and not such a great investor is that their decision and their opinions on a company doesn't sway based on the freaking price movement. Remember, the company is not the price action. It's not. Okay, the stop price and the price's movement on the day-to-day basis, even on a month-to-month basis sometimes, okay? I mean, we're talking about the commercial release of the nanopore nanochannel sequencing device. This is years down the line. This is money. This is billions of dollars in revenue 10 years from now, okay? And not revenue, net income. Think about that for a second. Think about how high the stock price will go. Think about the quarter two earnings report if it is within my projection, which I am projecting. I do think it's likely. I mean, it is hard to say what the earnings is going to be, but 4 to 4.3 million, I think that's realistic. And the estimate is 3.608. And I'm going to talk to one of my people tonight, hopefully, or at least soon, to get some more information, hopefully. But dude, it's very good. It's very good for Bionano. Fundamentally, Bionano is looking amazing right now. I think they are. If you are continuing, I heard somebody was here. Somebody was, what was it? Yeah, this guy right here. This guy right here, he says, what does he say? He's just very bearish on it because I don't know what he's saying. A simple, inconvenient truth, hiring smartly. Oh, yeah. So hiring smartly because SAPHYR can't sell itself. Hiring smartly because SAPHYR can't sell itself. So here's the thing. Here's one thing about the hire. I kind of forgot why I actually went to talk about this guy, but one thing that I will talk about because this is important is that unless you're just retarded, no offense, okay, if you get offended, not the channel for you. All right, we use harsh language here usually. All right, you don't, unless you are not that smart, you don't hire a ton of people and put listings up for people every week for weeks in a row. It just doesn't happen. Unless you're stupid and you're doing that. If you're stupid and doing that, that sucks. But if you're not stupid and you're doing this, what does it mean, Brandon? What's your point? Well, if they are, let's say Bionano is reasonably competent in their HR and their management and the people who are actually wanting to put these listings out there, let's say they're somewhat competent, which I think is fair to say. It's expansion. It's more work needing to be done. It's more sapphires likely being sold. It's the large clinical studies. It's the new clinical laboratory improved amendment laboratory opening in the same building. Apparently, there's still not really a very clear word on that, but it doesn't really matter where it's located. It's there. The filings, not the filing. Well, actually, yeah, the filing. I think there was one filing mentioning it, but also the listings are there. The freaking location is there. We know about it. With the FDA approval, okay, that's more of a rumor, but the nanonozzle stuff, the freaking listings are there for that, and the CLI lab, the prenatal market expansion is here. Why do you think they're hiring so many people for the CLI lab, man? Why do you think we just cherry-picked out of Credo Genomics our CBO now, our Chief Business Officer, Richard Shippey, formerly worked at Credo, the co-founder, and worked at Illumina? Why do you think this is happening? Prenatal market expansion and nanonozzle and CLI lab work and opening up that. The CLI lab is a little bit of a mystery. There's a few. Remember, this is what makes Bionano so damn interesting, and very few people understand all this stuff. A lot of it is unknown, but there's a couple mysteries with Bionano that we know for sure. I might forget one because there's a ton, but nanonozzle is a bit of a mystery, right? There are mysterious elements about it. FDA approval and the CLI lab. That's three mysteries. If let's say the bull case comes to fruition on any three of those, right? For the nanonozzle, the bull case would be it's going to be commercially released in the next few years. It's over. Bionano $20 a share, 50 within the next 2 years. Okay, it's done. We're all gonna make. I mean, you're gonna beat the market. You're gonna beat the market. to put it extremely mildly, you're gonna beat the market, right? Okay, so that's the nanonozzle. The second one is FDA approval. Okay, bull case on FDA approval. This one is a little bit weird because there's like 1,000 things here, and we don't necessarily need it. It's like, well, there's benefits, academic praise, diagnostics. LDT approved. The labs don't need FDA approval for the products they use. It's like, oh, there's so much shit to this one. But basically, I'll say that bull case, we get FDA approval within the next few years. Okay, if that happens, boom, we're up $20, $50. Okay, maybe not 50, but paired with some revenue beats, paired with some stuff that's likely to happen, like the analysts are projecting, yeah, $20, yeah, okay, $20, $30, $5 billion, $10 billion market cap. Yeah, this stuff is going to happen. And then the third one is the CLI lab, right? So bull case for that, I would say, now this one is this one's maybe the most interesting, okay? You all might know more about CLI labs than I do, but what I know is this, okay? You don't open up a new lab, a CLI lab, if you're not doing something relatively new or you're trying to do something special, all right? Now this falls in line perfectly with the freaking person that they just hired, that person that specializes and has a lot of experience in the prenatal realm. The first of the 5 large clinical studies, apparently, if I remember correctly, I'm 99% sure I'm correct here. Fact check me if I'm wrong, but the prenatal study, that's the first one that's coming out. That's coming out this year. They're getting evidence for FDA approval through this, and the evidence for that, stay with me. They hired Richard Shippey, the guy with the prenatal stuff, the prenatal experience. They got that guy in. Then they're opening up the new CLI lab, and we also have the large clinical study in the works right now, and they're hiring a ton of people. The data analysts. Okay, look at this stuff. Research associates, CLI lab. These people are for the freaking lab trials and for the evidence getting ready for FDA approval. That, and then we've got the freaking bioinformatics scientists. Where is it? Okay, did they already hire it? Right here, bioinformatics scientists, one applicant right now, 4 days ago. All right, while they're doing all this FDA approval stuff, maybe getting evidence for that, or at least getting ready to run to get the accreditation and the LDT and the what is it exactly, the accreditate? What does it say for the LDTs? Hold on. Hold on, I don't want to get this wrong because this is important. Okay. No, not that. No, not that. Not that. Hold on. EU. Come on, work. What? Okay, here. Sorry. Okay, 3 accreditation of SAPHYR-based LDTs for all, and that's ALL, that's a disease, and then FSHD, that's a disease. Okay, and then where's the LDT validation of 3 laboratory developed tests with billing codes, all that stuff. So this stuff, yeah, this is sorry, stay with me here. This is good stuff. Okay, this is good stuff. This stuff is what they're working on, all right? This is why they're opening up the CLI lab. And at the same time, we've got people working on nanonozzles, okay? We've had Mark working on nanonozzle for a while. We've had a lot of people working on nanonozzle for a while. Once it comes out, it's over. And there's been so much evidence this quarter that would lead you to believe that that the great thing's coming. And this is why I've been so bullish on it. This is why I've actually been able to cover it almost every single day, literally, Bionano every single day. I mean, there's always something to cover, right? If nothing else, the price action at least, right? So, anyways, I know that's a big rant for you. What do you all think about that? Let me ask you this. What do you think the biggest thing is out of nanonozzle, FDA approval, and the CLI lab? What do you think is the biggest? What do you think is the most likely to happen? And how high are we going to go because of whatever you're thinking? Oh, gotta get a drink out of that one, man. What if it's 2023 and BNGO is still hovering at $7? Well, it would depend. If we were still $7 in 2023, we would probably, our revenue, well, I don't really, that's kind of, I don't see a possibility for that, but there technically is, right? There's always technically a possibility for anything, but we would have horrible revenues. That's the only explanation why it would be valued so low in 2023. Buys coming in. What is AMC doing? AMC's chilling out. Yeah, by the way, AMC, everybody just getting in right now. AMC, do you guys want me to do the AMC spiel? I just did AMC. I just bought AMC. I just bought AMC, my friends. You know what? I'm going to change the title of the stream. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm going to change. This is for views. I want the channel to do well. I'm sorry. I'm going to change it from BNGO to AMC. Okay, I just bought AMC. I just YOLO'd into AMC. Here we go. There we go. Stay with me, boys. Stay with me. I just YOLO'd into AMC. I love it. What's your end-of-day predictions, everybody? I want to know the end-of-day predictions, and I want to know what you think. Nanonozzle FDA approval or the CLI lab? What's going to be the biggest for Bionano? And why? And what do you think we're going to go to because of it? Or just your opinions on it. Do you think it's realistic? What do you think? Let me read some stuff here. Nanonozzle, $50 easy. Question, is your family as passionate about BNGO as you are? No, my family doesn't know. But my family, before I did stocks, none of them believed that no, they don't like what I do. 761, yeah, they do. They're supportive, but not really. Kind of, I don't know. Anyways, it depends. All right. Any news when quarter 2 results will be reported? No, there's not any news for it necessarily, but there is an estimate, our estimate based on last year, and it's going to be let's see if the views increase with the AMC title. All right, so AMC. I'm going to talk about AMC in 1 second, but yeah, the quarter 2 earnings is going to be mid-August for BNGO. Yeah. All right, so is there any AMC people in here now? FDA approval? No, I didn't abandon BNGO for AMC. Gosh, why are there so many trolls in here? Hell no, man. I didn't sell any BNGO. Hell no. I bought like 7 shares. I bought 7 shares of AMC, and people assume I'm selling BNGO. I bought 7 shares of AMC. I'm not selling any BNGO. I still have this amount of shares. AMC here. All right, let's do it. AMC. All right, so basically, here's the thing, guys. I don't want to like pump AMC when I'm not an AMC channel, but here's the thing. Now this thing could easily crash. Do your own damn research. You know the spiel. But this setup that we right now, essentially, not right now, but the setup that we are about to get probably, maybe, I mean, by the close, maybe. We got 25 minutes to the close. Maybe it'll dip down to 54 right now. But the setup that we basically have right now is what I've been waiting for AMC for like a couple weeks. Okay, and it all stems around the synthesis that the retracement, the 21-day simple moving average on the daily chart. After you run up a crazy amount and you don't retrace to that, for example, since May 13th, since you haven't touched that in that long, once you do touch that again, that's a demand level. That's where the demand come in. That's where buyers are going to come in. And this is obviously historically empirically, factually, whatever you want to say, it's a good level of support. Okay, it's one of my favorites, and it's the easiest trade to do. Literally, it's so easy. Literally, just pull up the 21 SMA on the Bollinger Bands, or technically, I have the deviation and the moving average is set to 21 and 3. You can just pull up the 21-day SMA. That's all it is. That's all this line is. And when you have a stock go up a ton, if it's a good company, if you like it, and I do like the short squeeze stuff with AMC, there is some favorable data with AMC. Plus, I want to do my part in the squeeze. Plus, it's just fun as hell, and I just YOLOed into AMC, and it's true on the channel, right? That's just legendary. But this could easily go wrong. But this setup is freaking good right now. Okay, it doesn't take a genius to figure it out. Like if we dip, we have the 21 SMA. We have not touched that in literally weeks, and more than a month actually, in more than 30 days, and we have a bull pennant. And the short interest is still like 19% of the float. And also, I was just looking at some AMC stuff here, and it was bullish, but it wasn't as bullish as I actually thought. Right here, where was the borrow fee rate? I don't understand what the hell is going on with this. Somebody send me in the Discord, please, if you have Vortex data. I don't remember off the top of my head. Please send me the screenshot for the cost to borrow average for AMC. But right now, don't know what the heck Fintel is doing. Remember, they only get their data from basically one leading prime brokerage, so you got to be careful. And this is not the only. This is not the only thing. This is not the only. This could be wrong, right? But this is very low. This is very low. You want that to be high, right? That's like literally Bionanos is like almost 20%. Everyone's on AMC when BNGO is the real squeeze. That's more auspicious, but AMC is great. I like AMC. I'm in it now. I just bought it, right? So hell yeah. Hell yeah, man. All right, what do you all think? Let me read some comments here. AMC is a good buy right now. BNGO moving. Yeah, kind of. I have been holding both BNGO and AMC since January. It's been a wild ride. Welcome to AMC. Yeah, well, I've been holding one AMC share for a couple, like more than a week now, but it's only one. So, but yeah. AMC, man, hey, I could be totally wrong on this shit. My average right now is 7 shares at 56, and I'm going to be honest with you, if the short interest data, now I don't want to get crazy, I feel an obligation to be like a little bit more conservative than I normally would be if I wasn't streaming, but if this thing goes down to like exactly where the 21 SMA is, I might throw a few $1,000s into it. I've got more than enough buying power to buy, like, let's see how many. I can't buy that many. I'm sure this is play money to you guys. The max shares I can buy is 77 because there's no margin on AMC. But that's like, what is that? That's like $3,000. I'm not saying I'm gonna throw 3,000 into this if we dip to 54, but I would definitely add. I would add a few shares. Absolutely, I absolutely would. I like the setup. Right now. I think the sentiment. I mean, if we've seen anything the last few weeks, it's that the apes are for real. If the apes haven't by and large sold out by now, there's no reason to believe they're going to. And remember, most of the apes understand this, and this is a key point that you have to understand. If you have to understand that, oh God, somebody just said Brandon is like my investing coach right now. No. Please don't follow me. I mean, do what you want, but make your own decisions, okay? Please. Whatever you do, don't whine to me if something fails, okay? Don't whine to me. I've done like a few live trades. I've done 2 live trades that have gone bad. I've done 2. Yeah, so I'm not. Okay, you're joking. Okay, sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm gullible. If you didn't know that, I'm gullible and I get pissed off easily. So remember that. What was I gonna say? God, what was I going to say? Brandon, when will AMC get an FDA approval? Tomorrow. Yeah, man, tomorrow. FDA approval for AMC, yeah. Brandon, to put my savings on AMC, fudge it, I'm doing it. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, I was talking about the ape thing. No. Okay, I know. This is what I was talking about. I was saying it's better. The time is on the bulls' side. It just is, okay? It doesn't take a genius to figure it out. By the way, since I started talking about AMC, we've been pumping. And am I pumping AMC? No, I'm not. Okay, come on. But that would be funny, wouldn't it? Okay, sometime down the line, maybe I will because the channel will get bigger. Probably not. Anyways, I was going to say, before I keep getting distracted, I'm going to say it right here all the way through. The longer the time goes on, the more bullish it is for the apes and for the Bionanians and the Fellowship of Sapphire. Okay, any heavily shorted stock, the time is on the side of the bulls, and for the main reason of the annualized interest rates that the shorts are going to have to incur, right? And for AMC, it's not very high. For BNGO, it's extremely high. All right, and if you're borrowing shares, it's like freaking an insane amount. Okay, that's as simple as it gets. Let me see if anyone sent the short interest data. Dang it, I need bad form. Where's bad form when you need him? All right. Anyways, also there's more risk for bears. There's more risk. It doesn't take any money to continue holding shares. Oh, come on, Mixing Scholar. All right, yeah, you're telling me I'm a sell. Yeah, that's just I'm not even gonna get pissed off on that. You're just in timeout. Timeout, bitch. I'm sorry. I enjoy putting people in timeout too much. I feel like, is it gonna work? Is it gonna work or is it gonna glitch? Anyways, okay, there we go. Wait, Robbie? Oh no, Robbie's back. He just talked about AMC now. Gave up on BNGO. No, man. Hell no, man. Dude, come on. How can you say that? I mean, I know it's just the trollers who are saying that. Of course they say it. God, why do we have so much? I try to be so honest, and I get so many people that are dedicated to sabotaging the channel. It's okay. I understand that you can't please everybody, but damn it, man. Come on. Like, I show you the portfolio every day. I haven't sold a BNGO share literally in like 2 months. Okay? Come on now. Come on, man. Mark does not recommend AMC. Is that what he said? I do not recommend AMC. Mark is, by the way, Real Roofers Mark. He is he's the 1 million shareholder of BNGO, by the way. That man's a legend. Please go. This is a quick plug, but I'm doing it for Mark, so it's not technically a plug. Yeah, that's how it works. Quick plug for the interview that me and Mark did. This is literally the guy that owns 7 million shares of BNGO. Okay, I'm gonna link this in there. Do yourself a favor and go freaking let Mark pass some wisdom on to you. All right, so there you go. If I can actually copy and paste this onto the other one. There we go. Second try is a charm. Not the third time. Second time's a charm. Anyways, let's go back to the chart. So yeah, AMC's beauty right now. I kind of want it to go down to 54. I'm gonna be honest with you. Kind of do, but AMC. Here's the thing. They're gonna cover. They're going. Here's the thing, guys. The AMC people are determined to make the hedges lose even more billion. They want them to lose even more billions, okay? And it's going to happen, I think. I mean, the chart setup for AMC is about as bullish as you can get for the next few weeks, for the next few days, at least till the breakout day, okay? You have an obvious bull pennant or a bull flag, symmetrical triangle, whatever you want to call it. This is bullish as hell. And you've had consolidation after a huge run-up, and you've let the moving averages catch up to you, and the short interest is not, I mean, it's still very high. It's good, okay? And if some people are wondering, oh, Brandon, why are you so bullish on AMC now all of a sudden? I'm not, I mean, here's the thing. It's not in my DNA to like a stock when it's at $57 after it was at $2, not even, like 5 months ago. It's not in my DNA to actually put at more than a few, to do a lot of money in this trade. No, it's just not my DNA. I just can't. But every factual thing that you can look at for AMC's chart and the short interest and the sentiment, it's all bullish for the next few days. Not necessarily we're going to go up from 57, but like when we come to the breakout day right here, I like our chances, but it could fail, right? Do your own damn research, man. What was I gonna say there? I thought was I gonna say something important? I thought I was, then I forgot it. I'm forgetting everything. I'm forgetting so much today. Looks like you gave up BNJ. No, let me be clear. Let me be very, very clear. No, I'm not giving. The first time I buy one other stock ever, Robbie is like, "Oh, you're giving up on BNGO." It's like, dude, I'm not a slave to BNGO, am I? I'm not selling any shares, my friends. I'm literally more bullish on. I get more bullish on BNGO literally every week, and the reason for that is not because I'm not. The reason for that is because we keep getting more evidence for nanonozzle acquisition, COI lab, and FDA approval. FDA approval, not so much, but the other stuff, pretty much every few weeks, we get evidence for it. Right? I mean, that's as simple as it gets. As simple as it gets, my friends. Come on now. All right. Don't like the daily and weekly chart on AMC. How, bro? How? We got a bull pennant there. How? Said the BNGO, that's why we're here. All right, hell yeah. Damn, okay, are a lot of people against the AMC thing? Wow. I guess the BNGO crowd is a lot different than AMC. I understand that. Yeah. Hey, and remember, guys, if the AMC crowd comes in here and looks at this channel, guess what they're going to see when they click on the channel? Oh, and guess what they're going to see when they watch the streams? Oh my gosh, this guy's portfolio is literally 99.99% BNGO. Holy crap. Is it a good stock? Whoa, the short interest is even higher on BNGO than AMC. The short borrow fee rate is like 17 times higher. Excuse me. Let's try that again. 17 times higher short borrow fee rate. This thing is auspicious as hell. Maybe I should buy a few shares in the next dip. Yes, exactly. Yo, some of the people, man. I love all of you guys, all the Bionanians. If you're a bull on BNGO, I love you, but you got to think through it. You got to think through it. This is a net positive, right? This is a net positive. It's kind of like the Wall Street bet squeeze, man. If this channel does well through AMC, now am I going to transition to an AMC channel right now? Hell no. Hell no, man. BNGO is, I'm basically, think of it this way. I'm basically married to BNGO, and AMC is my mistress. That's basically what we're looking at here. And although I may make a video on this just because it may get views, no, I'm still going to cover BNGO daily and still going to stream about it daily. Okay, that's as simple as it gets. So please don't worry about do your own damn diligence. Yeah, all right. Get Robbie on live stream with you. Oh, man. But yeah, what was I going to say? What was I going to say? I'm forgetting again. I'm forgetting everything. AMC is making me dumber. AMC is making me an ape. No, I'm kidding. I'm a Fellowship of the Sapphire. I'm Aragon. This is the Fellowship of the Sapphire, and AMC is like a stripper. AMC is like a stripper. Oh, that's funny. That's a good one. That's the best one I've heard today. All right. That is how it starts, but in less than a month, you will sell BNGO. Poor people here that think it will moon. No. Robbie, no, you're just wrong. Let me tell you something, guys. If BNGO fails, I'm going down with the ship, okay? And also for everyone that's looking at Robbie's comments and be like, oh, man, this guy has a good point, maybe. Hopefully you don't think that. Hopefully you're not able to be manipulated like that. But this dude, Robbie Smith here, I swear to God, you can go watch the proof. All my OGs can confirm this for you. This man, the guy who said sell while you can, BNGO, this guy literally was buying puts on May 13th, the worst day in history, essentially, at least in the recent past, to buy puts on BNGO. He bought puts and short shares. Dumb boy, dumbass. Yeah, okay, sorry, not sorry. I mean, when you short Bionano and say it's going to go down from here, you get what, okay, you know what's coming to you. Which, with the truth is that no one knows what's going to happen, but long term, fundamentally, we're undervalued, and I think, you know what I think, okay? I'm risking the channel that we've put a lot of work into and my entire portfolio on BNGO's chances long term. That's literally all my, and you guys know, and I thought about it for months, really. All the research that I've done, I guess, is technically me thinking about it. But before I went 100% in BNGO, I thought about it for weeks, literally weeks. And I was like, okay, this is a risk that I'm willing to take. The research, I've done it. I think this is the best way to do it, and then here we are. Here we are today, and luckily I listened to my gut and my research and added here instead of listening to Robbie and all the damn bears. Sell now, bro. Give me your cheap shares. It's such a shit company. It's going to zero. BNGO's going to zero. Don't listen to those people. Don't listen to them, man. We got to get a Sapphire on Bezos' rocket. Yes. All right, let's read some comments here. Why am I getting so many people that hate me today? You guys know I get pissed off. No, you buying AMC stocks is suspicious as hell. What? God dang it, man. Come on, boys. AMC, my side home. Not predicting BNGO price again. I've been wrong for 2 weeks, LMAO. Why am I the only one who gets timed out? It's not fair. I am getting bullied. Great job, Brandon. Please support his channel. Short interest. He has great value. Thank you, Mark. Thank you so much. You're a legend, Mark. Well, they need an independent article from a university about the future outcome of their technology. So then I'm seeing $12 in the short term. I don't know if you're new here, but we've got 3 presentations this week. Well, technically 2 now. Short interest is very high. Quarter 2 revenue, my estimate is 4.3 million based on the 8 to 10 sapphires that we already know about, and we've never. Correct me if I'm wrong. Please, somebody. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, but I think, and I know basically for a fact, well, technically not a fact, but essentially a fact, there's like 10 Sapphire sales that we already know about in quarter 2. We have never known about 10 Sapphire sales during a quarter before. And what this means is that, well, hey, it doesn't take a genius to figure it out. If retail already knows about a number of sales that is higher than the previous quarter before earnings is even released, it's likely going to be freaking awesome. Simple as it gets, my friends. The Oslo University adoption, the freaking CSHL one, Cold Hard Spring Laboratory adoption, no one even knows about that one. I don't know if that's the most speculative one. We have 5 installations based on Twitter pictures and Twitter announcements, not just pictures. But yeah, those are all legit, to my understanding. Also, we've got the 3 China China SAPHYR sales, and we've got the what was it called? God, I'm forgetting one or two. What are the other two ones called? We had one that was what was the one? It was the government subsidy thing. It was the project. Somebody told me, Cisco Trader, somebody that knows even more than I do most of the time, said that it's going to be only about 150,000 in revenue, maybe, or 100,000 because it's going to be a rental agreement, not actual buying. But still, I'll take 100K in revenue. Are you kidding me? I'll take that. So it's looking good, man. It's looking good. We buying AMC now? Okay, all right, hold on. Let me go ahead and just change it. All right, do I need to change the title at this point? Guys, I'm not going ape. Oh, my God. All right, make your own opinions. If you want to hate me now that I bought another stock, fine. But I'm still fully into BNGO, man. I'm making a video on this every day. I just thought, since I bought AMC for the first time, I've literally been waiting for months. I've been waiting for months for the setup, and now I finally did it. And we're up. I could do a day trade. We're up $4 right now, a whopping $4 right now. I did 7 shares. It's play money, and yeah, I've been waiting for the setup for like weeks, for like 3 weeks, literally, when we finally have it. And people are thinking I'm betraying BNGO. No, I'm not betraying BNGO, people. No, change the damn name. Why are y'all so crazy? What? It's not an AMC channel. Oh my God. Okay, wow. Woo, all right, I see how it is. Okay. Is Mar going to crash again? What the hell is going on? I'm so confused as to what's going on. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and change the title now. Okay. By the way, I YOLO'd in. That's actually, I just did that for fun. It's not actually, I mean, I guess it is a YOLO, I guess, if you want to say it is. But there's a very clear reasoning as to why I'm doing it. AMC Hey is real low. What the hell is going? Put both in title. Okay, also okay. I'll put dot. I am by the way, $100 price target for BNGO. Okay, yeah, I'll put $100 price target for BNGO. All right, is that bullish enough for you? God dang, these people! You guys are too hard to please. you guys are too hard on me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yes, let me be clear for anyone who's like getting confused somehow. I don't know how this could be such a heavy-hearted topic. Okay. I'm still just as bullish, if not more bullish, as I was on BNGO 5 hours ago, okay? I bought a few shares of AMC because the setup that I've been waiting for literally is finally, I've been waiting for this for probably since the start of the month, at least. Or probably, actually, no, probably longer than that. Yeah, I've been waiting for this retracement even longer than that. I've been waiting for this retracement for more than a month. It's finally here, so I bought a couple shares. I'm still super damn bullish on BNGO. This is not an AMC channel. Holy crap. Okay, are we good? Are we okay? Are we okay now? Are we not going to kill me? Holy crap. How about BNGO squeeze bigger than AMC? Then I would get the AMC people coming in and disliking it, because I've got that before. Another red day for BNGO. The smart move is clearly buy puts and make money. How'd that go? How'd that work out the last time for you, Robbie? Good luck. Good luck, my friend. I hope you make money. Not really. I hope you get burned, to be honest with you, like last time. Like every time that you've said it, actually. But yeah. All right, put something more realistic, such as $15 end of year. That will probably attract more viewers. Hey, it's a one. Guys, remember, okay, I don't know, Jay, if this is what you're implying, but my $100 price target, I've said this in the video that actually got a decent amount of views relatively for my channel. Still not enough views to make more than $5 an hour here, but what is it? I said $100 price is 3 to 7 years out. That's what I said. That's what I said there, and that's what I'll say again. Roughly 3 to 7 years in the future, $100 price target, maybe even 10 years. I mean, in 10 years, we might not even be $100, okay? But that's what I'm thinking. I mean, if we make $1 billion in revenue and net income, yeah, we're going to be $100 a share in 2030, which is what most of the discounted cash flow models indicate, according to analysts on Seeking Alpha and retail investors alike. All right. Yeah, K&K, I'm with you all the time. What a bunch of babies. I don't understand. Guys, I'm not turning my back on BNGO. I don't know why there's so much backlash going on right now. It's fine. Whatever. Tell me your own opinions, but damn, I'm surprised. It's whatever, man. All right, what's a good entry point for AMC? $54 today. $54. That's where I'm actually gonna be buying like 10 shares. That's a lot for me because you've seen what people do to me when I buy any other stock than BNG. Right? They're like, Brandon, what the hell are you doing? It's like, come on. So I have an order set for 54.10 right now, and that's where the 21 SMA is roughly. And this trade could go horribly wrong. Please make your own damn decision. We've got 5 minutes till the close. I didn't even realize that. All right. I will call you from UK with Mr. Investor. We can link live and trade notes. Okay. Awesome. Yeah. Totally, man. My prediction for end of year BNGO is $15 to $20. Yeah. Just logging on to your live today. What price did you pay for AMC? I'm in the outhouse today with BNGO and CTXR, but confident they are both going up soon. Well, my AMC thing, I'll talk about this after the close. You know what? Yeah, I'll talk about that after the close. But my average cost is 55. Is it 55 or 56? 56.26. Yeah. I just bought it today. A couple shares. All right. People need to do research on genomics in general. They will understand better what BNGO is about. I know. Understand what the difference is in greater than 500 base pair structural variation detection with the SAPHYR compared to karyotyping, CMA, FISH, FragX, Southern Blot, and all these other crappy methods. All right. And you'll know the consensus by everyone in the world is that the SAPHYR is better. Dipshit. Yes, it is. I'm sorry. I don't mean to call you guys a dipshit, but Robbie Smith and all those other, yeah, that's what they are. All right. There's such a divide between AMC people and not. Holy shit, this feels like politics now. Do you like AMC or not? Why can't we just be nice to each other? AMC is cool if you like it, whatever, K. I mean, whatever, man, whatever. If you don't like it, whatever. You don't have to freaking say that the channel's a sellout, right? I would like to see a day with more advancers and decliners. I think we only had 4 of those days this month. BNGO $10 within 2 weeks plus 30% as YouTube title. What the hell? No, that's not the YouTube title. What? I've never insulted you, man. We just have a different opinion on a stock. Robbie Smith, I'm pretty sure that is factually wrong. I'm pretty sure that's wrong. Anyways, how can we bring on the apes on BNGO? Any suggestions? I've already tried everything, and if you're an OG on the channel, you know I have tried absolutely pretty much everything. The only thing that I haven't tried is YouTube ads, right? Paying YouTube to run my videos as ads. I've actually tried that about 20 times, and it never works. I've tried literally everything, and I always get an ad violation. It's the most annoying thing. I want to kill myself. It's literally so annoying. I hate Google ads. I hate their policies. Like 1,000 rules. Oh, it's annoying. But anyways, I've tried posting Wall Street bets. I've tried making videos about BNGO and AMC. Nothing works. So please, you guys, feel free to carry the torch. But I have tried, and I'm resting now. But it would be a net positive to get apes on the wall, aware about what the hell's going on with Bionano. And it's extremely high short interest, extremely high short borrow fee rate, auspicious nature, fundamentally undervalued, market manipulation proven, all this stuff. 1 minute till the close. All right. Why not say the squeeze is better than AMC? The short interest and borrow fee rates are proof. Show them when they complain. I've tried that before. I'm honestly kind of scared to do that. If you pay ads to pump the stock, it's because you will dump soon. Oh, man. Let's make Wall Street Bets 2.0. I've tried that as well. Guys, I'm telling you, I've tried everything. I mean, not everything, but I did make a subreddit called Auspicious Bets. The link is in every description of every video. I've made 3 subreddits. None of them have really worked. I've tried contacting the mods. I've tried getting other people to post my own due diligence. They get banned. I've chatted with a mod. Nothing works. Wall Street Bets mods, they censor BNGO. None of my videos get views. So it's kind of like the end of the world. Not really. It's great. We're in bullish territory. Everything's good. Fundamentally, we're doing amazing. But it's just, as far as getting the apes to know about BNGO, I've tried everything. But yeah, it's just not working. Anyways, we got 30 seconds to the close. All right. AMC people don't belong here, though. I got both BNGO and AMC for completely different reasons. AMC and YOLO and BNGO, all fundamentals. Yeah, that's pretty much true. AMC is pretty much YOLO. I mean, there is a legitimate cause there with the short interest. There is a legitimate cause there. There is. It is. If the apes hold long enough, the shorts have to cover. They have to, okay? They're going to lose money if they don't, and the margin calls are coming. But you can send me a message on the Discord, on Twitter, on my email. Hell, I'll give you my phone number, too. Should I just put my phone number in the description as well? Oh, God, probably. Oh, my God, wait, hold on. Whoa! Okay, holy crap. Okay, yeah, that was the close. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention. I missed the close. Yeah, that was the close right there. So we got about, maybe close to like 50,000, maybe 60, 70,000 shares sold at 754. And then right before that, we had, 30,000, 35, 45... About 45,000 shares bought at 755 right after that, or right before that, sorry. Okay, interesting. Yeah. And then the email, all of those things that I just mentioned, the email, Twitter, all that is in the description. It's all there. You can, I will respond to you as much. I will respond to pretty much everyone. All right, so yeah, that's what it is. BNGO price right here. Let's recap the day. So price action wise, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. We closed below the ascending level of support and turning it, or at least we should be turning into the new resistance. We did hold the 21 SMA on the 4 hourly. That's interesting. And on the daily, let me see. I haven't even looked at this yet. Okay, we did hold the daily 21 SMA. Good. And we're still in bullish territory. We still have a breakout above the descending wedge. We're still higher. We still have a higher high happening right here. Here's your. This is one of the reasons why we had a confirmed reversal. Right, you have this break, or not this break, but you have this high, and then you have this one, which is a break above the previous high. That's setting a higher high, setting reversal territory, that sort of thing. And we're still in uptrend territory right now. We just are. It's just factual. We're in bullish territory right now. Does that mean we're going to go up every day? No, it does not. Does that mean you should be mad at me if we're down 1% of the day or 10% of the day? No, please make your own decisions. But I will say that, yes, it's more likely based on that. If high growth goes down, we're screwed. But based on the bullish territory and the indicators, it's more likely that we go up and down in the aggregate short term. With that being said, we have great news. We have 3 presentations happening this week. We have 2 now. We have short interest as literally, I mean, it's kind of a miracle. Not a miracle, but it is very bullish that the shorts have literally. It's very bullish that the shorts have not even been able to send the price down even 5% with their literally. I mean, they're shorting 52 million. They have 52 million shares sold short. I mean, they've tried. The borrowed shares is insanity. The short borrow-off rate is insanity. These guys cannot. I mean, I guess they could. I guess they could just throw everything they've ever made into the short position, I guess. But they can't. I mean, they can't do this. There's almost zero short shares available to short. They've already shorted and done their worst to BNGO. They can't do much worse. That's as simple as it gets. All right. So okay. With that being said, all right. Low confirmed dump tomorrow. Carnage. Okay, Robbie. Okay, buddy. All right, with that being said, I'm reading some comments here. Yeah, okay, so let's go over AMC now. Let's go over AMC and what the hell is going on here. Make your own decisions, please. I'm not turning on BNGO just because I bought 7 shares of AMC. Please don't. I mean, do whatever you want, right? It's your opinion, but it's your decision. But anyways. This is what the AMC setup is, right? Okay, that the BNGO tweet, a new one. We had the presentation today that happened. Let's see if there's a new tweet. Oh, there is. Oh, okay. CMO Dr. Al-Kachabi is an invited speaker at the 6th annual BGCI conference on Saturday, July 3rd. She'll dive into cytopia, reviewing the evolution of cytogenetics through next generation cytogenomics using Bionano optogenome mapping. That sounded really good at the start, because last time she spoke, it was actually pretty good. Or at least one of the last times she spoke. And she is our CMO. And that's obviously better than some, random doctor speaking. And she also she has the FDA approval experience, and she comes from CMA, using CMA and other next generation sequencing methods. And now she likes OGM and thinks it's the best, which is more evidence. The bears claiming that they know the SAPHYR's not good, when we have literally PhDs and people who've worked with both technologies saying exactly what we say, which is the SAPHYR is the best in greater than 500 base pair detection. So, all right. So, yeah, the recap for the day for Bionano is basically this, okay? And I'm going to do this in the video more articulately, because I'll actually look at everything and have everything prepared. But basically, the short is up. The short borrow fee rate is up. We have a new listing today. That was the, which one was it? It was the global channel man. We had a new job listing today. We had a couple new tweets, and we have 3 presentations happening this week, right? And we had one of them happen today. The FSHD one happened today, and if we go to the thread of it, there's nothing really big that we saw. Okay, but one thing that was cool that we saw was that there was a new assay developed, and it is implemented now for clinical testing at this hospital, which is beauty. Okay, that's beauty. And we have 2 more of these happening, and we also have the CMO. Well, 2 of them, I guess it depends on if you consider this one. It pretty much is. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much what we got on the day for Bionano. And we got the institution. Another institution added about 3.5 million shares, or bought 3.5 million shares for the first time today. Not today. It was filed today. The effective date was on the 30th of April, right? So, take it for what it is. Take it for what it is. Yes, that is correct. Yes, let me give you a prediction about what's going to happen tomorrow. This is a joke. Please don't quote me on this. This is literally a joke. But I've been wanting to do this for a while. Moonshine, baby. No, I'm kidding. Okay, hopefully that happens. We have a 21K BIOL at 749, by the way. Anyways, please make your own decisions. Please make your own decisions. But this is still in bullish territory. And now let's go ahead and talk about AMC, right? Because that's what everyone... Is everyone waiting for this? I didn't get any... Do I have any new viewers? Is there any new viewers? No, probably not. Oh, yeah, by the way... Yeah, I'm going to have a treat for you today. By the way, for anyone that's going to be watching the video that I put out later today, I think I have the title thought of, and whatever the title is going to be very weird. It's going to seem like a shocking video title, like, whoa, whoa, Brandon, what are you doing? But I want you to realize that it's not. I just want you to know, I'll give you the preview right now. It's just watch the first 5 seconds, because I'm going to make it, because I've been seeing a lot of FUD and a lot of people freaking out right now today, so I feel like it's a good time to unleash a title of a video that I've seen other people do it. It's very clever to do. Anyways, and hopefully it'll get a lot of views. I'm sure it won't, though, right? It doesn't matter what I do. It's for the clicks, right? Well, it's true. It sounds like clickbait, but it's actually not. It's actually not. Anyways. All right, so for today, yeah, let's go over... Hey, I'm new here. This is an AMC channel. Dude, why are you such a troll, Mason Skull? Why are you such a troll? All right, anyways, for AMC. Okay, I just YOLOed the AMC. Okay, so AMC, basically, this is my thinking on AMC. Okay, the retracement of the 21 SMA, right? You're looking at a bull flag. Firstly, ascending support, descending resistance, bullish chart pattern when the prior move is higher. Obviously, this is bullish. Obviously, the price target is, what is it? Okay, $100 almost, $80. What is it? Let's see exactly what it is. Okay, you're looking at, and this is a little bit conservative here. All right, you're looking at like $90 a share. Now, is that going to happen? Probably not. This is more of a trade than a. This is more of a trade than a long-term investment. That's damn sure, right? This thing is overvalued. But if the shorts do cover, it's over. And we've got, from the technical standpoint, from the sentiment standpoint, this thing is golden. This thing is a buy zone right now today, right? If you can catch it on the ascending level or the 21 SMA, buy signal, right? If you're bullish on the short interest and the sentiment, that's a buy signal for AMC. So, and that's pretty much it. I mean, we can go over the short interest data, and we can go a little bit more into why the 21 SMA is so strong, but we already kind of have. So... All right, AMC theaters are trash. I don't know. They're pretty good. I just saw. Did I go to that? I saw The Conjuring 2 there, I think, or not 2, Conjuring 3. The Devil Made Me Do It, whatever. It wasn't the best. Anyways, all right. After hours volume is insane. Go BNGO. What? I wish it was insane, but it's just not the case. Yeah, it's just not the case. Nope. Look at that, 5 shares traded during that 1 minute candle. All right, guys, any last minute questions? Then let's get out of here. Looks like the AMC title did not help at all. I didn't think the views could get any worse, but it looks like they can. I don't like Facebook, my friend. Twitter, email, or Reddit or Discord, all those ways are better. But I do technically have Facebook, and you can technically reach me there. I might look at it, but I'll be late most likely. BNGO is a great company with a lot of promise. I agree. Is there any big buys at the close? No, there's actually selling at the close, but right before the close, you had big buying, so it almost cancels each other out. Slightly more selling, though. All right, Mitch. Thank you, my friend. Mitcho, baby. All right, see you, my friend. All right, guys. Here's the portfolio. Here's the portfolio showcase, right? There you go. 100% BNGO. Pretty much. I bought like 6 shares. I bought 6 shares of AMC today. Yeah. And it's now going down after hours. Manipulation, anyone? Manipulation. Yes. All right. Thank y'all so much. This is not financial advice. I will see y'all in the next one.